So line number what? Yes, line number 33 something around. Let me change the theme once. Mhm. Okay. Line number I think 32, 30, 33 also, 34 on 35 onwards. So first tell me what will not work till now. Like backslash capital U will work. No, capital U will not work. Capital X, no, capital X, capital N will not work. But if I want to print the path, then what I need to do? Keep 2 times backslash. Then in the small letters also, few things will not work. No, but I won't start with A. I'll start it now with B. What? Okay. We'll go line by line now. So what is backslash B does? This backslash B will delete one character from backside. Which side? Backside. Now before this backslash B, what is there here now? Space is there. Now this space will get now deleted. So run the code now. Here. Are you getting the space? Now suppose if I write like this now, what do you think the answer is now? Shall I increase the font size? Okay. What's the answer now? Hello world. What happened now here? O got deleted. Means something else also try to understand once here. If I want to print suppose hello Bharat, possible na? If I want to print suppose hello Bharat, possible? Or suppose hello backslash Bhavna or hello backslash Bharat only or some name. That time what I want to do after got 2 times there. Okay. So there also will come there. Okay now. So the first answer now here. Hello world without any kind of a space. So what does backslash B does here? Will delete one character from backside. Now this is a world difficulty to a difficult concept which you have to understand. Okay. Because many faculties, many people who teach Python, they ignore this part. Okay. Because simply they say what? Ignore this, nothing useful they say. But in the interview, compulsory they ask sometimes. Okay. Mostly 95% interviews they won't ask because they also can't understand this topic. But you have to know this topic. Here, backslash T if I keep in the middle, I'll be getting 3 spaces. How many? 3. So I need a proof because universally backslash T will give you how many spaces? 4. To make you prove, I have this one. Here, see, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. Means what? So you told backslash T gives 3 spaces. So this 2 should be having what? Same alignment. So clear screen once, run the code. Having same. So backslash T in the middle will give you how many spaces? 3 spaces. Okay. Backslash T at the starting or at the ending. See, at the ending, nothing you can able to see. So backslash T at the starting or ending will give you 8 spaces. How many? 8 spaces. So run the code once here. How many got the spaces there? 8 spaces. Okay. Can you tell me this answer now? Backslash T in the middle will give you again 3 spaces. How many? 3 spaces. Having a doubt, copy this line of code. Just a minute. Okay. So backslash t in the middle will give you how many spaces? 3 spaces. Want proof? Just copy this line there and make a proof of this one. So comment out. This both should give you what? Same answers now. Yes or no? So let us say we'll give you same answers now. So backslash t in the middle will give you 3 spaces. Backslash t at the starting will give you what? 8 spaces. The concept is not over there. We have again the concept there, okay? So again, I'll come back. As of now, remember the what? Backslash t in the middle will give 3 spaces. Backslash t at the starting or ending will give you what? 8 spaces. And the topic is not over there. Below I have the topic there again, okay? So I'm coming line by line there, okay? Now, what about this backslash r? Backslash r meaning what? T means what? Tab, okay? Backslash r means what? Carriage return. Carriage return. What does this do? See, suppose if you're opening a mobile and type the 10 digits phone number, some 5 digits will be this side, 5 digits will be this side. So no. If suppose if I'm typing 11 digits, I won't have in the middle what? Any kind of a space. Yes or no? So this will help me out. Similarly, here what happens here, suppose left side and right side are equal, will only print the right side. How many characters have the right side here? 2. Left side how many? 2. Means what? Right side is not less than the left side there. So what will come only there? ON. What will come only? ON. I'll keep in this comment part. Now, see how many characters I have the right side here now? 2. Left side how many? 4. Means what? This right side will take the left character side characters. PY gets replaced with what? ON. Remaining characters are what there? TH. So ON, TH will be the answer now here. Starting 2 characters here. Equal only print the right side there. This case having what? Your right side having 2 characters, left side having how many? 4 characters. So there what happened? This ON got replaced with what there? PY. So PY became what? ON. ON then next many characters are what there? TH. So ON, TH. Now you can tell this answer now. ON, TH, PY. Yeah, one thing let me get clarification. In Python, will space will be counted or not counted? Counted, sure. Okay. So ON, TH, PY. Now, what about this answer now? So take your time and answer properly. TY space LO. TY space LO. LO. See here, how many characters are there now? 3. Space also counted now. Side also remove what? 3. What is left now? LO. So what will come the answer now? TY space LO. Now, this is your task. Take some time and tell the answer. All have paper na? Right there, 0, 1, or else you can count also. But I want the correct answer. Hmm. Who? Only 1%. Clearly, I told you here I 2 characters, here I 2 characters. What happened there? Only when got printed there. Here also what the same characters here, but here I what more characters. So what will be the answer now? Space Allu space Arjun. So starting also be having a space. So not counting a space. That's what mistake are doing there. Count Okay. Now see now. See, suppose if I ask you to print now what? Hello Ankit. What I want to print now? Hello backslash Ankit. Is it possible? No, it's not possible because the backslash a having a meaning called as what? Alert. In the escape sequences, which I've seen yesterday part. See here once again. Backslash a means what here? Alert. So I can't print now backslash what? Hello Ankit. I can't print it now. What do you think? Answer I'll get now. Okay, you can't say. Let me say now here. See, I'll get hello. Again, I get a beep sound. Then what I'll get next here? Yenkit. Yenkit. See once there. What I got? Hello. Yenkit. Because backslash a means what? Alert. Now someone will come and say, right? So two times right? Double A. What do you think about this answer? I want you to print this answer. What I'll get? Hello. Will I get the backslash there? No. Why will I get a backslash? Because backslash is not alert. So I won't get this backslash here. So what I need to do? I need to write what? 2 times backslash. Then means what I can say now? Okay, this fellow is trying to say what? Print what? Hello backslash Ankit. Got the point? What about this one answer now? Yeah, correct. Hell Yankit. Hell Yankit. Because backslash B will delete one character from backside. What will delete here now? O. So what will come the answer now? Hell Yankit. Okay. CDE having no meaning. CDE having what? No meaning. So let us run once. So CDE having any kind of meaning there? No. But what about F? F having a meaning. F having a meaning. What does F give me once here now? F will give me what? Female symbol. So run the code. So this is a female symbol here in the middle. I'll just copy here and keep it here for clarity purpose. This is a female symbol. Round circle plus mark down. Okay. Fine. So I can't print names like what? Hello backslash Farooq or whatever names are there. Now GHI high no meaning. GHI up to what? Up to M also having no meaning. So G to M having what? No meaning. From G to M having what? No meaning. Once here, no. So GHIJKLM having what? No meaning. What about N? N having a meaning. So N means what? New line. Can you tell me the answer now? Hello. Next line. N kit. N kit. Okay. Then OPQ having no meaning. OPQ having no meaning. So let us run once because you want the proof there. So OPQ having no meaning. What about R? R having a meaning. So can tell the answer now. Take some time and tell the answer now. How many characters at the right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side how many? 5. So what will come? Right side. What will come? Just N kit. But if I have less characters now here, how many here now? Here how many? 5. What will come again? N kint. N kint. Now if I have N kin now. No. N key? No. If I remove this N also now. N kilo. Okay. So like this, you have seen already before only this part about the carriage return. So if I have less characters at the right side, we'll take from the back side. If having equal, only the right side gets what? Printed. Then S having no meaning. S having what? No meaning. Now again T having a meaning. Now backslash T at the starting will give you how many spaces? 8 spaces. How many? 8 spaces. Backslash t in the middle will give you how many spaces now? 3 spaces. Okay. Before backslash t, again I have a space. What do you think? How many spaces I'll get there now? No. Again I get there what? 3 spaces only. How many I get there? 3 spaces. Sir, want proof? Okay. Print hello. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, NKINTH. So clear screen, run the code. I think something extra wrote, yeah. So clear screen once, run the code. No sir, once again run. Okay, once again run there. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. So clear screen there, run it. How many spaces there again? 3 spaces. Before backslash t, if I have a space also, will not be counted. Will not be counted. Proof there, not there. So now you can prove in the interview, you can't prove. But HR should ask now first this question. He won't ask because he doesn't know or she doesn't know. Tell me this answer now. Hello, 3 spaces, Yankit. Okay. Now I have afterwards now. Now it will be what? Counted. It will be now what? Counted. So backslash will give you how many spaces again there? 3. Again I have a space there. How many now? 4. Want a proof? So print. Suppose I'll give hello. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, NKITH. How many here is there? 3. So I told you what? 4. So let us see now. Should have what different alignments now. See there. Are they matching? No. But if I give you now 4 spaces now here, it will be now what? Matching. So after backslash t, if I have a space now what? Counted. But before backslash t, if I have a space, it will not be counted. Okay, what about this one now? After backslash t, I have now 2 spaces. So totally how many spaces now? 5 spaces. Now if I print this both, will I get both the same answers or different? Alignment will be different. Different alignment. Yes or no? So got the point? Okay. Can I print backslash u? Small u, can I print? No, I can't print backslash small u. I can't print hello backslash umbrella or Uday or Uday Sri or anything name. I can't print it there. What I get there? Syntax error, Unicode error, because it should have shown you backslash small u is what? Unicode. Sometimes if I want, I can use the what? Black and white emojis there. Again in black and white, up to how many characters it works there? Up to 1 to 6. 7, 8, 9 will give me what? Blank line. Then capital U will take up to more than 4 characters and will give me what? Colorful emojis. Then V having any meaning there? No. V doesn't have any kind of a meaning or having a meaning. Check once. V means what? Male symbol. So this should come out O circle up arrow mark. So in the company, they'll give the symbols there for washrooms there. Okay. As a English student, you have to know these symbols. W having any kind of meaning there? No. What about X, small x? Unicode. So only one person say name starts with what? X. Who is this person? Xavier. So all know Xavier or doesn't know Xavier? How many of you know Resans? You're all from this planet or the planet? Don't know Xavier? Don't know. You know. You know, all know, but you don't know his face. If I show his face, now you'll say, ah. Hmm. Nice type of comments will give now there. Okay. If you're having time, go to YouTube channel, then you can read the comments part there. So nice types of comments will do there. Okay. Humor you can say there. So this I have what number of tweets. So the only person as of now name started with X is what? Xavier. Now if I want to print Xavier, how can I print? Because backslash having a meaning there, X having a meaning, which will give me what? Syntax error, Unicode error. But I want to print this name. How? Double slash. Then I can print this name. So clear skin once, run the code. Fine. Then Y having meaning, YZ no meaning. YZ has what? No meaning. So this is about the escape sequences in the Python. Not only in Python, other also there, but the faculty will not tell you. Print umbrella? No. Why? Because backslash you also capital U having a meaning. I can't print it. What I get there? Unicode error. But if I want to print, how? Double slash. Okay. What about capital N? Can I use? No. I want to print hello backslash nickel. Not possible. This also will give me what again there? Syntax error, Unicode error. Then capital letter rest works. Only what not does not work? Capital U and capital N does not work. Fine. So this is the total part regarding the escape sequences in the Python. Totally how many have there? 13. So backslash means what? Only continuation. Double slash means what? I want to print a backslash. Then backslash is what? New line. Some people they say what? Next line. Then if I want to print single quote in the middle, now can you print or can't print? You can print. Starting, ending, single quote I have. In the middle, normally you can't keep. But now with the help of what? Backslash, you can print it. Now aim is what? Alert. Then double quotes also can use in the double quote string. Then backslash beam is what? Backspace. What it does there? Will delete one character from the backside. Then F means what? Female symbol. Circle, down place symbol. R means what? Carriage return. What it does there? Having both left and right equal. The right thing will be what? Printed. But in the right side having what? Few characters. Left side having many characters. Then the right side will take remaining characters from the left side. Then backslash you give what? Tab. Tab. Starting will give you what? 8. Middle 3. Space backslash t will give you how many? 3. Backslash t space 4. Then backslash u means what? Unicode. Small u for what? Black and white emojis or for Unicode. Then V means what? Male symbol. Then X also means what? Unicode. And in the capital letters, I can't use what? Capital U and capital N. Then now let me show how you to play a song with the Python now. So first thing, I want 3 answers now. What is the website for downloading the Python software? Python.org. Okay, fine. What is the website to know about the standard packages about the Python? Python anywhere.com/batteries underscore included. Again, /. So here what I have only standard. Like on the Play Store, I have all the standard things there. Now, in this drop down, do you have first of all 3.10 there? No. Now what I want to do now, play sound. If I type the module name play sound, will I get there? No. I won't get there. If I go to Play Store and type WhatsApp GB, will I get there? I won't get there. Yes or no? Or type there some things. Won't get available there. So for this one, again, we have one website again there called as what? PyPy. What is the full form of PyPy? Python Package Index. Python Package Index, where everything from A to Z will be available. A to Z, not Amazon. but what everything will be available here. So PyPy stands for what? Python package index. Make a point this one. So in the company you'll be using what? PyPy, or else you'll be using pythonanywhere.com, or else python.org for documentation. Then more we have upcoming topics. Done. So click on PyPy. So what you want now? You want place on. So if I type now place on, will I get? Yes. Number of I'll get here. Starting from here, down, scroll down there. Suppose these are 10. Go to second part also there. How many are there? So many are there, yes or no? But now only I want to only place on I want. See, I have place on 2, I have place on 1. I have what? Place on 2. What is the thing here written there? Pip install place on 2. First of all, what is the meaning of pip? Full form of pip. Python. Told or not told? Not told. Python installation package. PIP stands for what? Python installation package. Very, very important. Okay. In the interview, pakka they'll ask you. If they want to hire you, maybe 1 question or 2 questions will be about the PIP only. So PIP stands for what? Python installation package. What is the use of this PIP and for whom it is? PIP is the package manager for Python. Make a point there. PIP is the package manager for Python. Like every CM or every company will have a PA, personal assistant. Similarly, he will decide what to do, what not to do, schedule the timings, all those things. Similarly, in the Python, PIP is what? The package manager. With the help of PIP only, I can what? Install and even what? Uninstall also. Both the things. I can install, I can even what? Uninstall also. PIP is the package manager for Python. What about the Windows? I told you. Chocolatey. Chocolate is the package manager for Windows. What about Linux and Mac OS? Home brew. Home brew. So many people like, what if I say they'll prepare and go. But in the company, they may ask, okay, for package manager is what? Python. For Python, what it is there? PIP. What about Windows? So 80% employees fail there, okay? And this is what only you know. But if you go to any company and ask what is in chocolatey, they don't know. Okay. So one thing keep in mind, what you know, others don't know. And don't try to explain, your time waste. So second thing is what for Mac OS and Linux OS? Home brew. So are you using, have you installed any one of you chocolatey? No, only sir told keep it a point. That's it. But don't try. Don't try. Time waste na. Yesterday I told you, in the real time, we won't use any kind of a graphical user interface, any GUI. Like what? I won't go to start, open Calci or anything software there. In the company, we'll be using what? Command line interface. Like how you had this C language typing the code in the black and white there. Same thing here in the company also. We'll be using what? Command line interface, CLI. What is the full form of CLI? Command line interface. Make a point, CLI. These some technical words you have to find out, okay? Or else I'll take totally 1 day for telling all computer science part again. Then you'll get to one, you have to make one big book, this much big book, okay? Where you can say is what? Computer science all in one book. So CLI stands for what? Command line interface. But now don't ask again how many there, what are there, all those things there. It's a big part, big part. One of them is what? CMD, command prompt. What about others? For Windows, what we have the command prompt for Windows? PowerShell. In Windows, what we have there? PowerShell. I can even use install the what? Git bash. Git. Okay. One is what? Command prompt. Say click on the start, type the what? CMD. It's a command line. Yes or no? Command line interface, CLI. Then I have what? Git bash. What I have? Git bash. Okay. If I right click here, if I already installed the Git bash there, see right click here, Git bash. If I type any commands, will work here, properly will work here. Suppose if I say, I'm on which path now? I'm on desktop now. So if I type there, pwd, indirectly or directly on the Windows also. When I go with the file handling path, I'll be using the Linux commands. Linux commands means what? Indirectly you're learning what Linux commands are also. Few Linux commands like what? 5 or 6. That's it. So PWD stands for what? Present working directory. Present working directory. Press enter there. So where I am now? On the desktop. Okay. Like this, I'll be using the this is called as what? Command line interface. Similarly, I have Vagrant also. Okay, many are there. So if I say total day also will not be enough for me. We have what even what? Vagrant. This is the best one. Perfect, I can say. In the company, we used to be using what? Vagrant. Like I told you, I have one operating system called as what? Windows. I want to use even Linux. So I again can't ask some other person in my home. I want one more system, one more laptop. In that I want to use Linux. So in one system, again I'll be using what? One more system. It is called as what? Hypervisor. Hypervisor. You can see the word here. Hyper is there here. Hyper means what? Hypervisor. HYPERVISOR. So in one system, you can run what? Multiple operating systems. I can run in one system Linux, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, or whatever it is. Okay. So Vagrant will be very useful for me. Then if I want to run in one system many operating systems, I'll be using what? VirtualBox. But normally people what they'll do, they'll install VirtualBox. They'll again go to Play Store, they go to Chrome, install Ubuntu file or whatever file, manually they do. In the company manually do, they'll send you out. That's why they use their what? Vagrant. At the ending of the topic, if I want, I'll tell you this is one some topic. Fine. So start using what? Command line interface. That's what I'm telling you. Use what? Chocolatey. You should make a habit of using what? Chocolatey. Say Chocolatey, Vagrant, everything we have. So make a habit of starting only. Okay. At the ending, if I tell you nothing will be user after completing of Python syllabus, you can use this like this. If I say, oh, after reaching airport, you told me that I can come by what? By I can book the ticket, window ticket I can book and come. After coming, if you tell me, useful. So after finishing the course, if I tell you, you can all use what? Chocolatey. This is what I use in the company. What is this after completing a course? Sir is saying that in the company you use Chocolatey. Oh. Now again, you have to invest time there again. Yes or no? So starting only you have to make all these habits. Okay. Starting only you should be like what in the company should not feel uncomfortable. When you're giving a task, you should not feel uncomfortable. Okay. If I go to any new place, first I'll think what all are seeing me only. But you know the truth. No one care about us. So the company they give you what they'll use, Chocolatey they'll use. If they give you what? Windows operating system. If they give you Linux or Mac OS, they'll be using what? Homebrew. Okay. So start using them. Okay. Fine. So starting delivery, I'm telling you, okay, starting only, not at the ending part again. So after going to company, don't ask, my sir not told this one, not told that one. So company given me laptop, but not able to install. You can't install. You can't install because you have to use what? Command line interface. You can't go to Chrome again, type there so and so things. Or this fellow told he some so and so institute, so and so this thing, taken 1 month, 2 months coaching, but he doesn't know how to install so and so things. impression goes. Nothing but what? Impression, all things will go. So what is the pip there? Pip is the package manager for what? Python. So let us install now. So open the command prompt or open any window, suppose. Yeah, just a minute. The meeting is going to end. This one.